Welcome to Kinston at Centerra, in the beautiful mountainside town of Loveland, Colorado. Kinston is in an ideal location, just minutes away from some of the best shopping Colorado has to offer, whether at the Centerra Promenade or the Johnstown Plaza, home to the nationally renowned Scheels All Sports. Nearby I-25 offers a straight shot to downtown Denver for city activities or the daily commuter. And just down the road, catch sports, concerts, and events at the Budweiser Event Center. For the outdoor enthusiast, Loveland features lakes, parks, and trails through the foothills of the stunning Rocky Mountains. Kinston is a master-planned community with a focus on lifestyle. Residents can walk to the Hub, located in the heart of the community. The Hub is the perfect community gathering spot and features coffee, microbrews, fireside seating, and is dog-friendly. The new-build single-family homes are available in 5 floor plans and range from 1,900 to 2,600 square feet and are priced from the high 400s to the high 500s. Each home features gorgeous upscale living equipped with sleek modern amenities. Large windows fill the rooms with natural light and wide open views. Now is an exciting time to become a resident at the Kinston at Centerra. Upcoming community plans include a pool, outdoor concert space, splash pad, and miles of winding trails. If you're looking for front-range, community-focused living with modern suburban amenities and incredible mountain views, look no further than Kinston at Centerra in Loveland, Colorado. Stop by and meet the Dreamfinders team for a model tour and see what this incredible mountain view community has in store for you.